What is up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to break the system. I just logged into my Lovable account. Look at the top left corner. **85 credits. ***. If you've used Lovable, you know this is insane. The free plan gives you barely anything. And even the pro plan doesn't usually stack this high. I used a private trick to stack these up. And because I have way more than I need, I'm doing a huge giveaway for you guys. I have created **5 separate Lovable accounts **, each preloaded with credits. I have hidden the login emails and passwords for these accounts randomly throughout this video. They will pop up on the screen for just a few seconds. The first person to find one and log in keeps it. So keep your eyes peeled. The strategy: why ChatGPT? ***. Now, let's build something real. I want a portfolio website, but I'm not a designer. Most people make a mistake here. They go to Lovable and type make a portfolio. That gives you a trash result. The secret is to use **ChatGPT** as your architect. I'm opening ChatGPT and typing a prompt. Give me a detailed prompt for a modern, high-converting portfolio website for a cybersecurity analyst. See how specific I am. I'm asking for a dark theme, neon accents, and a responsive layout. ChatGPT is generating the code structure for the AI. It's writing the description of the hero section, the about me, the experience timeline. This is how you get a professional result on the first try. I'm just going to copy this entire block. The handoff and the waiting game ***. Back to Lovable. I'm pasting that massive prompt right here. Now, while this generates, let me tell you why this is a game changer. Usually, building a portfolio takes days. You have to find a template, fight with HTML, fix CSS bugs, and make sure it works on mobile. Lovable is doing all of that right now in real time. It's writing React code, it's setting up Tailwind CSS for styling, and it's ensuring the site is fully responsive. You can see it thinking. It's building the component structure. Almost done. Okay, it's done. Let's look at what we got. Wow, look at this. This is a fully functional, dark-themed portfolio. The colors are exactly what I asked for, that cybersecurity vibe. I'm scrolling down. Check out these cards. The spacing is perfect. The typography is clean. But we have a problem. The name says your name. This is where Lovable shines. I don't need to hunt through code files. I'm just going to type in the chat box, change the name to Ayush Padak. That's it. One simple command. Watch the screen. Boom. It found the header. It found the footer, and it updated my name everywhere instantly. This conversational coding is the future. You just talk to your website, and it obeys you. Now I'm just looking through the rest of the site. Look at the projects section. It created these nice placeholder cards. All I would have to do is click them and change the text. The skills section is also really clean. It even added little icons. But I need to make this personal. A portfolio needs to show my actual work history. So I'm going back to the chat. I'm typing add my experience of 2 years working in PU as a SOC L1 analyst. This is a test. Can it understand a technical job title? Let's see what it does. It's rewriting the experience section. And there it is. Look at that timeline. SOC L1 analyst. It didn't just paste the text. It formatted it beautifully. It put the date on one side, the role on the other, and even added bullet points for the responsibilities. That looks super professional. Final check and the moment of truth ***. I'm scrolling down one last time to double check everything. The contact form at the bottom looks good. The footer is updated with my name. Honest opinion? This looks better than portfolios I've seen people pay developers $500 for. And we built it in, what? Maybe 4 minutes of actual work? The animations are smooth. Nothing is broken. It's ready to go. Now, the final step. It's stuck on my computer right now. Let's get it on the internet. Go to the top right corner. Hit *** publish ***. You can connect a custom domain like ayushpadak.com. But for now, I'll just let Lovable generate a free link. Click Publish. Wait for it to deploy. And we are live. I'm copying this link, pasting it in a new tab. And there it is. My portfolio is live on the internet, accessible to the entire world. I built, customized, and deployed a full React website without writing a single line of code. If you manage to snag one of the free accounts, comment claimed down below.